Hello and welcome to Just Basics. In this video, let me help you how you can clear your browser's history, clear your cache, delete website cookies, or do all the above in just few clicks. Let's go! It protects your personal information from other people who use your device and third parties on the internet. It clears your device storage and helps your application run more efficiently. And it also fixes certain problems like loading or formatting issues on sites. This keyboard shortcut to clear your browsing history can work on Windows PC or Mac. It's little different on other platforms, but the changes are minor. Also, it's suitable for any browser including Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, and Microsoft's Edge. Here's what you need to know to clear your browsing history fast. With your browser open, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows. On Mac, it's Command Shift plus Delete. This will open the window to clear your browsing data or recent history. Select the time range and the type of data you want to be cleared. Your selection is retained, so you can only have to figure this once. The settings you just chose here are saved for future use already. When you're ready, click the button to clear your browsing history. It's simple as that. Thank you so much for watching until this part of this video, guys. Here are some related videos on the screen that you can also watch on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share if you need to, follow me on my Facebook page, and see you on my next video. Bye!